Hey everybody, I got another Aliexpress die cut video for you today. So I found more doll die cuts. This one is a big one. She's actually she sits on a stack of books. So that's the book right there, and then she's got long legs. So she sits with her legs crossed, and there's actually knee pieces and these really long arm pieces. So I got that one. This is all from the same seller. I think I got 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got 7 of them. So this is, she has roses, butterflies, and hearts on her dress. And she's got this little cool collar piece. I love the bows. And there's her hair piece there. Hair piece, or a hair. This one's just a simple little dress one. She has a little shawl that goes around her shoulders there, and a cool little dress. And then this one, it's just a simple design, just a simple little dress, but she has a scarf, so it's almost like a fall themed one. And then this one here, I like this one. I like the hair because the hair is different. Yeah, so she got this cool little dress. I think those are supposed to be earrings. I'm not entirely sure. I have to look at the picture again. So there's that one, and her little hands. And this one is like she's like a little sailor outfit on. So yeah, this is a cool little different dress. And see the little polka dots, so all these little dots will come out of it. So it look like polka dots. So that is pretty cool. And then this one is where she's sitting on the swing. Cool little different shoes. And there's the swing, and she has a kitty. This is the only set that has something different in it, like a cat, like an animal. So yeah, these are the 7 that I got. Trying to keep the camera steady as possible. And I got some of them. I used some of them, so I'm going to show you what they look like cut out here. So this is the one with the roses on it and the butterfly. So I wanted an extra bow. There's supposed to be a bow here. This is actually supposed to be a little heart. The heart does come with the die cut, but the heart was so tiny I literally dropped them. They're all over the place. So I went with a double bows instead. So yeah, those are those little girls there. Like most of the sets are the same size, so you can interchange the pieces. So like if you want a different hairstyle on those, that's fine. They usually all fit. Now I only did one of these. This is the one with the shawl. Pretty sure it's a shawl. Gave her little booties there. And I put the bow in the hair. I like the bow in the hair the best. Now, this is the project I'm working on. I'm making a bookmark. So I found this cool picture online. This is the Catching the Stars picture. She's got a little net down there with catching the stars and putting them in a jar. So this is the one with the scarf. I cut it out and I attached it to the bookmark. So when I made all these little flowers, die cut flowers, and put little sticker stones in there, just give it some sparkle. I could use sparkle paper, but I like to use the stones. So that's a bookmark I got for my Facebook group. And the other one, I actually just finished gluing it, so I'll show you here. I put a weight on it because I didn't want it to curl. So that's the book one. So I put her on a stack of 3 books, and then cross her legs here. Yeah, and I actually found one of the little hearts, and I put it in her hair. That's where it's supposed to be. So yeah, and then I got all these extra flowers that I cut out. So I'm just gonna tape down to the desk until it dries, and then I'm gonna put my flowers around the edging, and then put hole punch my hole there, and then thread my ribbon through. So that's gonna be another bookmark, a bookmark with the girls sitting on the books there. You could put the titles of the books in there. If I had a label maker with clear tape, like clear label, I could put the names in there. My handwriting's not very good, so yeah. So all I gotta do is flowers on the side with my little sparkle stones, and yeah, put the ribbon through. So I have to say this is one of my favorite of the die cuts. It's probably the biggest one. I guess you can make as many books as you wanted. And yeah, so I still got these ones to try. And I got these little bags to keep them in. Well, hopefully most of them might not fit for this one. But yeah, to keep them safe. So yeah, so that's the project I'm doing with these die cuts, and hopefully you'll be able to get them on the website. They seem to disappear and then come back, so just search in the search box doll die cuts, and hopefully they pop up. So yeah, so was a bunch more. I think there was 14 of them, and I got 7. Had to stop somewhere. So yeah, so these are my doll die cuts from Aliexpress. And what I do with my extra pieces, I just thought of this, is that I put them in a bag. So these are all extra parts that I made, and I'll keep them for the next project. So yeah, so that is my Aliexpress die cut video. Later.